Hello kids. How are you? I am also fine. Class 4th. Today let's start the revision worksheet of the FA2. Okay? Because FA2 is nearby. Yes? So let's start. And the first question of this worksheet is find the common factors of the following and then find the highest common factor. Is the meaning of the HCF also? So we can write 16 and 20. First of all, find the factor of 16 and 20. And after that, we can find the common factor. And the last is HCF. Okay. So factor of 16 is factor of 16. Factors of 16. So 116s are 116s are, and after that we can continue with 2. So 2 8s are, and the last 4 4s are. Then factors are 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Okay. And the next is factors of 20. Factors of factors of yes, Dakshita. Speak the factors of 20. Factors of 20. Wait. Equal to okay. Yes. Okay. Okay. Then factors are 1, 2, 4. Yes. 20. Okay. Take your seats. Clap for Dakshita. And after that, we can find the common factor also. So circle the common factors number. Yes and no? Wait. So 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, and 4. Yes and no? Okay. So then we can find the common factor also. Yes and no? So common factors are 1, 2, and HCF is because the highest common factor is 4 also. Yes and no? And we can write the next set of factors of 20, 30, and 40. So first is factors of 20. So 120s are, 210s are, 4 5s are. So the factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20. And after that we can find the factors of 30 also. Yes, Arya. Give me the factor of 30. Find speak the answer. Yes, 1 multiply 30 equal to 30. Yes, 2 multiply by 15 equal to 30. Next. 3 multiply by 10 equal to 30. Next. Yes, 5 6 are 30. Then the factors are yes, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, and 30. Yes, clap for Arya. Next, Faisal. Give me the answer factors of 40. 1 multiply by 40 equal to 40. Next. 2 multiply. Yes, 20 equal to 40. Next. Yes, 4 equal to 40. Very good. Next. Yes. Okay. Then the factors are 1, 2, 4. Yes. 10, 20, 40. Yes, clap for Faisal. And after that, we can find the common factor also. Yes and no? Yes and no? Then the common factors are which? 1, 2, 5, 10. 1, 2, 5, 10. 1, 2, 5, 10. Then the common factors are 1, 2, 5. Then the HCF is 10. Okay, class? Do you understand this question? Okay, the next question is a monthly fee is 1,700 rupees per month. So how much fees will a student pay in a year? So how many months in a year? Okay. So fee for 1 month fee. First is 1 month fees. 1 month fees 1,700 rupees. Okay. And number of months are 12. So fees in a year. So multiply by 12, class. Yes and no? So multiply by 12. So first of all multiply by 2 or 1? 2. So 2 zeros are? 0. Again 2 zeros are? 2 sevens are? 14. 2 ones are? 2 plus 1? 3. And using the cross for the next step? 1 zeros are? Again 1 zeros are? 1 sevens are? And 1 ones are? So we get the answer is 20,400 rupees. Okay. So hence a student will pay 20,400 rupees in a year. Okay. Do you understand, class? Okay. And the next question number 3. Question number 3 is a television cost is 64,000 rupees. Yes, how many cost of the 8 TV? 64,000 rupees. Okay. And we can find the cost of 18 such TV sets. अब हमें कितने की फाइंड करनी है? 18 TVs की कॉस्ट फाइंड करनी है. So first of all find the one TV set, cost of one TV set, and after that multiply by 18. We can find the 18 TV set cost. Okay, it's called the unitary method. Which method? जब हमें मोर देन वैल्यूज गिवन है तो हमें पहले किसकी वैल्यू निकालनी पड़ती है? 1 की. एंड आफ्टर दैट वी कैन मल्टीप्लाई बाय द नंबर जितने भी हमें नंबर्स की. ओके. 8 टेलीविजन कॉस्ट इज 64,000. Cost of 8 TV sets 64,000. Yes and no? So we can find the cost of one TV. So cost of one TV. So divide by 8. So we can split table of 8. 8 ones are? 8 twos are? 8 threes are? 8 fours are? 8 fives are? 8 six are? 8 sevens are? 8 eights are? 64. And it means how many times? 8 times. And how many zeros in this digit? 3. So we can write the 3 digit also. Then we get the one cost of one TV is 8,000 rupees. And हमें कितना फाइंड करना है? 18. So cost of 18 TV sets. तो 8,000 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना है हमें? 18 से. So we can start 8,000 multiply by 18. So first of all multiply by 8. So 8 zeros are? Again 8 zeros are? Again? And 8 eights are? 60. And using the cross? Yes, Vedansh. 1 zeros are? Again 1 zeros are? Again? And 1 eights are? Okay. And using the addition? 0 plus cross? 0 plus 0? And 0 plus 0? And 4 plus 0? And 6 plus 8? 14. So we can, the cost of 18 TV sets is 1,44,000 rupees. So write the hands. There are 18, their cost of 18 TV set are 1,44,000 rupees. Okay, got it? And the next question number 4. Fill in the. So the first question is 120 multiplied by 1 equal to. Let's take a seat with Vedansh. 100 and Karnika. 427 multiplied by 25 plus dash. Which number is missing on this side? Yes, clap for Karnika. Yes, Faisal. 0 multiplied by 309. 0. Clap for Faisal. 0 divided by 309. Okay. And next is, just take your seats. Connect. Dash divided by 1 equal to 762. Yes, clap for Connect. And this question number 4 is completed. And we can write the next question. We can solve the next question. Question number 5. So first is 52,565 balls. How many balls? 52,565 balls have to be filled equally in 17 boxes. कितने boxes में fill करनी है मुझे? 17 boxes में. And how many balls will be filled in each box? तो हर एक every one boxes में कितनी कितनी balls आएगी वो हमें find करनी है. And after that, if all box have the same number of balls, every boxes में number of balls are same. Okay. And how many? Faisal, how many balls will be left out? और कितनी balls हमारी left यानी कितनी balls boxes में नहीं रखी गई? Okay, so let me start. Then the first line is number of balls in 17 box. How many balls? 52,565. How many balls? 52,000. Okay, and number of balls in one box. Yes and no? So we divide by 17. Divide by 17 also. Okay. So spirit table of 17. 17 ones are 17 twos are 17 threes are 17 fours are 68 is greater than. So we can write the 17 threes are and subtract the value 2 minus 1 1 and 5 minus 5 and write the next number on this side. We can divide? No. So using the next number on this side 156. So write the 0 on this side and split table of 17 9 times. So we get 153 and subtraction 6 minus 3 3 5 minus 5 and 1 minus 1 0 and write the 5 on this side and 35. 17 ones are 17 twos are 17 threes are it's greater than. So write the 17 twos are 34. Then the remainder is, so number of balls in every box is 3092 and the left balls are 1 only. Okay, how many balls? So write the hands. 3092 balls in each box and one ball will be left out. Okay. Yes, class. Do you understand this question? Have you any issue? Raise your hand. Any issue? Vinay, Do you understand? Okay. And the next question number 6. Choose a correct option. So how many two-digit numbers are multiples of 6? How many? Sorry, which? Which one? Right now, which one? Which one is a two-digit numbers? Is a multiple of 6 right now. Which number, which one is the two-digit number is a multiple of 6? Which one? Yes, Vedansh. Which one? 18. The third option, class 4. Anuja. Which one is not a common multiple of 4 and 5? Yes? Yes. 50 is the correct option. Take the 50. Fourth option. Yes, take your seats, Anuj and Vedansh. Vinay. 89 multiply 1000 equals which one? Which option? Second option is the correct. Okay. Take your seats. When 896 divided by 10, then remainder is Anishka. Which one is the correct option? Third? Yes. Third option is the correct. Next, when 42,634 divided by 100, then quotation is, yes, Arya, 426. Yes, take your seats. 426 is the correct option. Okay, do fast. Have done. And the next question on this worksheet is 6 refrigerator cost is 38,400 rupees, and find the cost of 10 refrigerator. Okay, so we can find the first one cost of one refrigerator, yes and no, and after that multiply by 10. So first line of this question is, yes, Darshi. Cost of 6 refrigerator. 38,400 rupees. Okay, and we can find the cost of one refrigerator. So divide by 6. So divide by, yes, 38,400. So we can split a table of 6. Yes. 6 ones are 6 twos are 6 threes are 6 fours are 6 fives are 6 six are 36 is the answer for this one. 6 six are, and subtract this number, 8 minus 6, 2, 3 minus 3, and write the 4 on this side, and again put a table of 6. 6 ones are 6 twos are 6 threes are 6 fours are 6 fours are 24, and write the 2 zeros on this side. So in the quotation, write the 2 zeros also. Okay. So we get the answer is 6,400 rupees. Just take a seat with Darshan. 6,400 rupees for the cost of one refrigerator. Yes and no. Yes. And after that, we can find the cost of 10 refrigerators. So 6,400 multiplied by 10. So we get the answer is 64,000. Yes and no. So write the hands. The cost of 10 refrigerator. Yes, 64. 64,000. Okay, this question is complete. And last question of this worksheet. Find the common multiples of the following number, and then find the common multiples, and then find the LCM, lowest common multiple. Okay. Yes, draw the line which in the two numbers also. Okay. First of all, find the multiple of 6 and multiple of 9. And after that, we can find the common multiple. And in the last, find the LCM also. Okay. So first line of this question is multiples of 6. 6 ones are 6 ones are 6 twos are 6 threes are 6 fours are 6 fives are 6 six are 6 sevens are 6 eights are 6 nines are 6 tens are, and after that multiple of 9. Multiples of 9 ones are 9 twos are, what's it? 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 9 fives are 9 six are 9 sevens are 9 eights are 9 nines are and 9 tens are, and after that find a common multiple. Which one is a common multiple? Which one? 18? Yes and no? 36 and 54. So that the 18, 36 and then LCM is 18. Okay? And class, do you understand this question by LCM? Okay. So we can write this question, the solution, and do it self. Do the solution of this question is do it self right now and get the answer in. Okay, class? And this worksheet is complete. Have a nice day.